you ever get deja vu? Hello and welcome. I grant you the most eerie of welcomes on this Hallows Eve, October 31st, 2018, 1 year later. I'm back a year later. I bet you thought I was dead. I did too, you know, inside my soul and passion, curled up like some sort of dead thing rotting away. But like a fancy mythical phoenix, I will rise from the ashes that was my derelict channel and grant you this deliciously sweet treat of a vlog. So I probably will not have this posted on Halloween, which, you know, usually is the case for me, because it conflicts with my evening festivities with the wife. A lot has happened, if you haven't noticed. I have a Grom. She's a fucking bomb. Don't literally, it could explode at any moment. There's a bad gas leak. On other topics, a quick background of what has happened, if anyone cares, just so you know. While I was in school, my computer took a fat shit and committed suicide because of the garbage videos I was uploading. And being in school and low income, I never got to the point of excess fundage, so I didn't really upgrade or replace said computer. And that's why I have not been making videos for calculated 1 year. But now that we're somewhat past that and I am working, I can get back into one of my most meaningless but dear to me wastes of time. I mean hobby. You know, whatever. However you look at it. I will try to craft some wonderful cinematic videos, but we don't know the future, so we'll just put it off as a maybe. This is my anniversary of my motovlog, so I obviously had to make a video, or I would have just felt a sense of failure in my life. I didn't want to build that void, so I'm forcing myself to use my Frankenstein computer, which I've mangled some pieces together and acquired a suitable platform to manage my video habit. What? Oh, she's not paying attention. Happy Halloween. Happy late Halloween. I hope you had a fun time, even though I am literally enjoying Halloween now. It's like a time warp thing. I'll be in the... Wait, is it? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Moving on. I traded my beloved F4i. I traded my F4i to a spry young fella for his little Grom here. Best thing I have ever done in my life. What? Fuck. Driving. Okay, so today's quest is... My wife is working, the lovely Jamie. She gets off at 9, so I got a few hours on her. And I want to do something kind of like festive, because this year did not feel very festive to me. I didn't really... We watched a lot of scary movies and stuff, but for the most part, it felt kind of like another day, and I hate that because I love the fall time, which is another rant I can go off on about, because Christmas is already in fucking goddamn Christmas. No, I love Christmas, but Christmas ruins things. Moving on, ignore that topic. The local Walmart, you guys may have heard of it. It is a superstore full of shit. And I'm gonna, you know, get some spider webs and some candy. And we're gonna binge watch some Halloween movies. Maybe some Freddy Krueger or Blade or, you know, what the insert title of thing here. Moving on. About my job, I work in a lovely shop. I graduated out of school, top of my class. I got top tech in Kawasaki. A couple SOCs, if anyone's been to MMI. I had a great school experience, and I did very well. I had 100% attendance for everything but Kawasaki, because I literally had to miss one day to go to a wedding. I went to a wedding, but I didn't go to jury duty. Where are my morals? We're gonna go get some candy. Yeah. I'm so fucking pissed. I walked in and there's a Walmart guy literally putting up a Christmas tree. It's fucking Halloween. Oh, literally on Halloween. Goddamn Christmas trees. Ridiculous. So I'll ride around the neighborhood, wait for my fucking GoPro to die, maybe get a couple random thingies. Well, guys, have the happiest of Halloweens. Well, never mind. I hope you had the happiest of Halloweens. There we go. Where's my Ghost Rider? This shit sucks. Oh, is it going straight? That means we can do a wheelie. That was sick, man. Epic. I don't even think they laughed at my bell.